How many out there think that they work smart in Adobe Photoshop? I'm talking about, setting up preferences, doing all the things to make the program run faster and work better for you. Well, do you use actions? Because that's a very smart, intelligent way to work in this program. What is an action? Actions have been around for a long time. What they are basically is a way to do something over and over and over again. I'll tell you what. You've got an RGB image, and you have to convert it into a different resolution and a different color space, but you have 372 of those things. Would you like to do that 372 times? And the answer to that would probably be no. That's where an action comes in. So you have to think here. What are you doing in Photoshop that basically you're doing more than once? So we'll start by talking about creating an action. It's almost like turning on a tape recorder. It really is almost that easy. We're going to talk about applying and modifying an action, because once you make one, you can actually make changes to it. We're going to talk about creating a batch action. And what batches are basically are a way to process a whole bunch of images at the same time. We're going to work smart with something called a droplet. Now, a droplet is an extension of an action that even makes doing actions that much easier. And then we're going to finish it up with something called the Allow Tool Recording feature, which allows you to add tools to the actual action itself. That's a new feature. Well, actions. And the birds overhead, I guess. Let's go ahead and get started.